Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin. So this video is a collab video with Yuya Sabahan Artist. Obviously the channel's creator's name is Yuya and she's an amazing artist from Malaysia, same as me. You can go to her channel and watch her video, and she did a lot of good video as well. So this is actually a collab video that we did 3 months ago, but just because I'm busy with stuff in this 3 months that I cannot do anything other than do my work. So I'm kinda made this video hanging for a while, and this is actually my first video throughout these 3 months. I'm looking forward to upload more content in this channel right now, because I'm free, and yeah, just enjoy the video.
Hi! So for today I am going to draw my favorite girl from my favorite television series, that is Katara from Avatar The Last Airbender. So as you can see, I am doodling, I sketching, I playing around with her character first to get myself familiar with her character design and to immerse myself in my art process. So during my sketch process, I love to sketch her hair first because I think her hair is something that unique, that show who she is, and her eye, because of the hairstyle and her eye, I think I get to recognize her as Katara. So as you can see, I do sketch a lot of other type of poses before I feel comfortable with the sketches. So this is something that I learned recently, is to sketch first and not to dive in immediately and create a final piece artwork. So here's the first tips. Warm up first before start creating your final art piece. So almost finished. This is my final sketch before I draw it in my watercolor sketchbook. I don't know if her pose look okay or not, but I have spent quite a while on sketching her, so I just use this. Hey, so for this time Yuya is speaking, and yeah, I really love your drawing. This drawing is beautiful. It was fun watching you do the sketching process, so I really was like, what? As long you enjoy your sketching, as long you enjoy drawing, you shouldn't like care about the pose. It's going to get improved along the way. Like the more you draw, the more progress you're going to make. So don't worry, be happy. Happy painting. Keep creating. Thank you for this happy art collaboration. Before I finish this, voiceover, actually I haven't finished the script. So here are some tips that I should share with you, because this is a very helpful tips, but it's not from me, it's from Kelvin. So yeah, Pinterest is a great place to look at for references. It can help you. It's really helpful because there are a lot of inspiring picture, inspiring drawing, post references, there are tutorial there. So it's really helpful if you really enjoy and you want to improve your drawing, proportion. For someone like me, I also start with asal bahagia punya lukisan. Oh wow, I really love your video edit. So Kelvin is now getting ready to paint his painting. So I think I should shut up from now. I really enjoy your video. I hope to see you again. Thank you for inviting me to voice over your video. Why I'm sound like a DJ at the party? But yeah, wow, nice technique. Wow, nice. Okay, I should shut up from now. So here, I think Kelvin is using his scrap paper to test out the watercolor that he mixed already. So which is a good tips. Yeah, it's a good technique. You need to learn about your watercolor paint first before you apply it on your art piece. Because believe me, the watercolor paint dry differently from the palette. Yeah, so it's really a good thing. Nice, good technique. Is it just me, or I found it very satisfying to watch other people painting time lapse, watching other people drawing, painting, especially when it is almost complete. I was like, oh, this is very satisfying. It's like ASMR but for my eye. If you find it satisfying too, let us know in the comment below. So yeah, I love this type of video. OMG. Especially when every moment in the video is shown, including the drying process, when you are painting watercolor. Yeah, most people was didn't expect that watercolor painting should take time, for drying process. So it shouldn't be one go finish. No, it does take time. It need drying time. So when watercolorists do that part, show it everything, it feels satisfying. I found it very satisfying. Wow, it's almost finished. For me personally, I really had hard time with black color of watercolor. This is just me because I struggled painting with black. I don't know. This is just me. But for this painting, it looks so beautiful. Nicely done. Awesome.